welcome back to Candy Wars. Today, none of the members are online. Just none. So, I am here by myself. Oh, I'm sorry for saying that. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. We're gonna be doing a challenge by myself. Like the Royal High changing boys' outfit into girls. This one right there. I might do a part 2 of that one because it was typing and now I have my voice. Okay, so let's get started. So we're gonna be playing Royal High. Let me explain the challenge while I load. So I'm gonna pick out of this bucket. Let me get the bucket really quick. Alright. And I made a lot of little papers in this bucket, as you can hear. And I'm gonna be picking out a color that I'm gonna be like wearing, okay? So let's pick. Oh wait, are the gates open? Whoa, wait, what? I never noticed this. Hold on. I never noticed the gates were open. Well, guys, okay, I don't know when it stopped, so I'm gonna re-explain the challenge. So I have a bucket, and I'm gonna be picking out a color that I need to wear, okay? Okay, I'll meet you when I'm in Royal High. Alright, so I'm finding a place to hide, so no one can see me. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, and I went in Royal High so I can get like better lighting, because the other lighting wasn't really good in the other map in Divina. So I'm gonna start. Okay, I hope it's not green, because I have like a whole green outfit. Oh my gosh, imagine if it's green. That would be like a freebie. Hold on, one of the papers fell. Okay, I'm back. Whew. Okay, let's get started. Let me turn the volume off. Okay. Okay, I got one. Let me open it. Oh no, let me. Okay, it's green. So, do you like this outfit? Tell me if you do. Okay, I'm gonna go close my eyes. Pick out a card. Whoa. Okay. Oh, okay, we got yellow. Okay, we got yellow. Let me crumble this. Okay, guys, I'll be back when I have my yellow outfit. Okay, I don't know what that was. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I am done. I am writing every like single color, because at the end, you guys are gonna vote which one you like the most. So this is my yellow outfit. You like it? You like it? Okay. While you look at that for a few more seconds, I really like this one. It's really cute. Now, let's see what other colors we can get. Okay. I'm shaking the bucket. Okay, I got one. Hold on, I got an HE scratch. Got a scratch, okay. I got purple. For this one, I'm going to be a mermaid because I have the purple mermaid suit. So I'll be back when I'm done with my mermaid purple outfit. Okay, guys, I am done with the purple, beautiful outfit. I'm a mermaid now. I'm going to write purple down. Oh yeah, I did already. Okay, let me put the pen down. Okay, so start thinking. Green, yellow, or purple. One more. Ooh, what is gonna be? Blue and pink. We got the bonus one. That's weird. The last one, bonus one. That's weird. That's weird. Okay, so guys, I'll be back when I'm done with that one. Okay, guys, I'm done, and I'm gonna write it down. Pink and blue. was like both. So it was quite a challenge. I could find the hair, so, but I found it. I made my own. Like, what's better than making your own? So, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. Vote your favorite. The green, the yellow, the purple, or the blue and pink. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. Bye!